craft class. Children, today I am going to teach you how to make a wall hanging. A single piece wall hanging. Wall hanging, you say, see, they are in three pieces, one bigger, smaller than that, and the other one is the smallest. We are going to make only one single piece wall hanging. And to make that, you will need your cardboard paper of any cover, fridge or your tape recorder or any cover of cardboard. Then you will need your colorful papers, whichever you have colored papers in the house. Then you will need your scissor, and the most important thing is your decorative material, whether you have colorful beads, you have motifs, you have shells from the sea, and a satin ribbon to make one handle. Now children, please follow me how I tell you the instructions on the blackboard. Now first, children, you are going to draw one big square on the cardboard. One big square on the cardboard of 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters in, and cut it. Similarly, the second square you are going to cut 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter all the sides. So from your cardboard you are going to cut two squares, one the bigger one and the other the smaller one. Now I will show you how to form it into a wall hanging. Please follow me here. I have taken 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter big cardboard, and the second is 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Now I have pasted two different colored papers on this. On the bigger one I have pasted pink color, and on the smaller square I have pasted green color. Now you can see here I have cut some shapes with the glitter foam which I had to make a design on the wall hanging. Some squares and some shapes of the petals along with the beads. Now you are going to apply this small part of a square on the bigger part of the square exactly in the center. So you are going to apply your Fevicol here. All the sides, after pasting colorful paper to your cardboard, you are going to apply Fevicol to the smaller part and paste it exactly in the center of your bigger square. Can you see this? So this color is looking beautiful, isn't it? Below is pink and above is greenish yellow color here. Now second thing is I am going to take a red sequence here. I have a big red sequence here. I am going to paste it in the center of this green. So here I am going to paste it in the center. Can you see? Now as I have told you, I have cut the shapes of the leaves with glitter foams, petals with glitter foam I have, and then I will remove the paper and paste it here to give it a shape of a flower in all the four corners here. You can see here we are going to decorate the center part first. So all the four corners, four petals I have pasted. You can cut this with your colored craft paper and paste it. Not necessary to go and bring the glitter foam. Whatever material you have, you do your work with that. So you can see I have converted into a beautiful flower. In between this flower again, I am going to put a drop of Fevicol and again paste small pink sequence which I have here. It will be converted into beautiful design. In this way. Can you see? So the center part of our wall piece is ready. Now children, if you have colorful lace or colorful tape, you can paste it in all the four corners of the bigger square here everywhere. So I have a silver one here. I am going to paste it here to make it more decorative. Can you see? In this way, if you have green color, orange color, whatever color tape you have, or if you have lace or quilling papers, you can paste those also. So I have done it here in this way. Make your wall hanging look more beautiful. All the 4 sides. You can see it is converted into beautiful piece here. Now I have told you I have cut some squares. So these squares I am going to paste in all the 4 corners of this wall hanging piece in this way. All 4 corners here. You can cut these squares from the old wedding card also, beautiful wedding cards you have in the house. So you can make use of that wedding cards to cut the smaller squares to stick on your wall hanging. Did you get? In this way I have converted it. Now children, I am going to apply Fevicol here, and here, same way everywhere. You can form your own designs. Not necessary Miss has told this way. I am giving you the ideas how to make it. So 3 drops I have applied everywhere. And to give it a matching color, I have taken blue sequins here. So I am going to paste this blue sequins here on the applied Fevicol here. You see, the color will match here. This way. All the sides you are going to apply the same sequence which you have. Again the other side. Make a marking first so your work will not be wrong, and then start sticking it. So you can see blue sequins are matching on the pink one very nicely. So your work will look very attractive here. Don't make it in a rowdy way, make it in a simple way. Now in the center, if you have some other colorful beads, you can apply those. So I'll put 3 dots here. Again 3 dots on the other side. Same way. And 3 here. So I have this white sequence here. I'm going to apply those white sequins here on those dots. All over here. Press it a little so it will be firm. Don't make much crowded design. I have made a simple one here, not very crowded. So you can see, after you finish the decoration, your work will be seen in this way. Now we have taken the bigger cardboard, on that we have pasted the smaller one, and we have made the design. And then you are going to take a single friendship band and twist it a little here. This way, turn your wall hanging behind and paste it here to make a beautiful handle. So you can hang it in your house wherever you want. You can see your children, in minutes your beautiful wall hanging will be ready. Children, after you finish your work, your duty is to submit your work on the Google Classroom for checking. So I will be pasting this work here. You will follow it accordingly as I have done, or you can also make your own design. So this way your wall hanging should be made. If you want to make 3 pieces, then you will join a smaller one below and the smallest one at the bottom. So children, hope you liked today's activity of making a beautiful wall hanging. Children, thank you and be safe.